Right. Old, yucky, disgusting, nasty carpet. New floors. Cheap, but much better. All throughout. Still a mess. There we go. And here we are. Tape. New baseboards, instead of painting it, I just bought tape and put it all around. Ugh, there. It's not permanent. I can remove it. It's temporary. It's easy. Peel off. Anyway. So, I had to do the floors, move this over the new floors, and do this part and move this. It was crazy. I didn't want to tear it apart. Anyway. And my parts for the things I make were everywhere. I didn't want to do that anymore. So I went to Harbor Freight and got bins for the parts there. And luckily, damn, it matches the rig, blue and red. Woohoo! Anyway, and I 3D printed. I wanted to play games on new OLED monitor too. I bought one. You know, I wanted to play games using my PC over here. So I printed out a wall plate that goes to HDMI display port, Ethernet. Oh, I got 2.5 gig Ethernet. Since I tore out the floors, I ran cabling throughout the upstairs, so that everything now in the upstairs is hardwired to Ethernet. 2.5 GPS. So this is subwoofer, rear speakers. So from here, from my this is triple screen. The fourth one is HDMI, goes to here. Subwoofer from CPU goes in here. Rear speakers from CPU goes in here. An Ethernet port. And from there, it's ran under the floor. Comes out here. Same. So subwoofer out, from there, rear speaker out, and video out. HDMI or display port that comes in here. So I can just turn that on and play games and do whatever here. Anyway, still the same. I bought these things. Look at that. It's nicer material. It's closer to a seat belt where you have in your car instead of webbing, regular webbing, industrial. So I'm just going to hand sew this and replace the whole seat belt system with it. Anyway, what else am I planning? That's pretty much it. It's easier to move now because I got felt. It's easier to slide instead of, the old one where it's just stayed put because the carpets makes it stay put. Anyway, that's it. This room. Anyway, that's about it. That's what it looks like. Here you go. Still need to put baseboards everywhere. Backyard.